Bella raga, ciao a tutti dal Cumendone veneziano. Allora, fioi, allora. Oggi ci spariamo la partita con Houston e Milwaukee, che Milwaukee, se non erro, ha al record di 8-0, quindi insomma non male. Houston invece ha un 5-3 per il momento. Ok. Buono ragazzi. Il Barba, Westbrook, bella squadra Houston. Ma noi siamo Chicago. C'è la figa e siamo contenti. Ok. Andiamo. Dopo le prime 20 partite giocate cominciamo a vedere un po' le classifiche. Quando stavo pensando, visto che comunque le classifiche sono parecchie, tutti i capoclassifiche, assist, quando facciamo così ogni 20 partite facciamo solo una partita, il video se no diventa lunghissimo. MJ. È bello carico, c'è che veneziano, ci sono tutti, ma MJ è la stella. Houston Rockets, Chicago Bulls. Guardatelo veneziano, il Barba. Ciao.
Here we are in November, and let's see how things are going out east in the early season. Taking a look at Chicago, things going their way so far in this season. Right now, they lead the front in the first spot with the best record.
Inizia. C'è poca gente allo United Center. Rodman.
Entire lead off guard. This was not a position anyone thought they'd be in at this stage of the season.
And the credit belongs to them for what they did and didn't do during the offseason. I mean, they had a vision, they set it out, and they stayed true to it.
A look at the opening lineup for the Houston Rockets.
Veneziano si prende il tiro. Male. Non un grande inizio. Come sempre noi partiamo di merda. Ma la rubiamo? Noi ce no. E invece sì. E va subito Scottie. Scottie Pippen. Primi 2 punti della partita per Chicago. Westbrook subito fa vedere i sorci verdi a veneziano. No, mamma mia che inizio maledetto. Devo prendere già le misure. Ok.
That's exactly how you have to defend him. He's a guy that the D needs to be aware of at all times.
Some nice ball movement by the Bulls.
Blocco non proprio bello. MJ si prende il fallo. Ma ero coperto, ho pregato, ma Jordan lo fischiano sempre perché è il nostro MJ. No, ma che cazzo. Che bello sbagliare un libero perché schiaccio il pulsante sbagliato. Olajuwon può prendere rimbalzo. Ma Pippen con la stoppata. MJ. Ma vince l'MVP con Michael Jeffrey Jordan, Buona partenza. Il Barba. Oh, ragazzi, Hakeem Olajuwon le prende tutte. Bene.
Covington really is fantastic. His arms high in the air when he's attempting a shot inside. Really gives the defense no chance to
Veneziano! Madonna, fanno tiri veramente di merda.
Making 40% so far to start out the game. Goes up on the wing. Rebound by the Bulls.
Rimbalzo di Veneziano, Dennis.
And with this matchup being an East versus West affair, it'll be the first of only 2 meetings.
Pick and Cume, eccolo qua il pick and Cume. Il Veneziano è partito malissimo. Guarda Bulls. Vedete che inizia un po' col freno tirato,
Last year, getting it done. put up about 13 points per, just over 2 steals and 5
magari mi dai la palla.
And you can't downplay the importance of good size off the bench.
Space invader, a big guy who simply holds his ground and makes opponents work
Veneziano.
That's good stuff.
Mamma mia.
You know, even though it's a point-blank range shot, that's not an easy one, especially when the defense is that tight.
Mamma mia, stiamo sbagliando sia Houston che Chicago, sta sbagliando l'impossibile.
And the foul on Harden.
Fallo del Barba.
First foul. Jordan kicks to Pippen. To the paint. Here's Rodman.
E Danny subisce il fallo e va in lunetta con il tiro libero supplementare. Ok ragazzi, siamo stati vicinissimi fino a 2 minuti fa. Adesso primo parziale, diciamo. Questo è difficile, ma lo mette MJ.
Jordan's got 13 points now in the quarter.
And they've got to talk to each other on D there. Miscommunication.
Ma è sempre molto peggiore. Alla fine del secondo quarto. Bomba. E la prende l'Osmo. Cioè, comunque non ci credo. C'è anche Yao Ming comunque, che è un'altra bestia.
First in scoring, second in steals, and he ranked in the top 10 in
Si fa fatica Beppe.
for drawing defenders and finding the open man.
And his unnatural instincts for scoring the basketball. That's what made him #1 last year. You can't stop him, and you can't even really contain him. Bulls making a switch here. Porter's checked in. Houston with a big group substitution here. Yao, he's checked in for Elijah.
MJ.
No,
non puoi sbagliarmi questo.
He's checked in for James Harden. And it's Austin Rivers in for Russell Westbrook.
Meno male che hanno sbagliato anche loro.
They have a chance to go 2 for 1 here.
So let's see how they play the clock.
Scotti. Yes. Cody Pippen.
The big fella has nice court vision, solid at finding open teammates.
We've got a 9-second difference between the shot clock and the game clock.
No, che dormita, zio cane.
Assist by Rivers. Rivers has got 3 assists now in this one. And here's
Mettine una. Niente, non ne mette una.
Certainly not the kind of night he was looking for at the offensive end, and it's had a ripple effect on the team.
Jordan against Rivers.
Dai, ma vaffanculo.
He misses the free throw.
8 punti di vantaggio, non sono niente, lo sappiamo. MJ la mette, bravo M.
You know, even when Jordan gets hit while penetrating, I mean, he just stays with it. Great stick-to-itiveness. You cannot.
Chiudiamo a -6. Va bene, siamo stati molto più indietro in altre partite che poi abbiamo vinto. Credo che avere Yao e Alao giocano, ragazzi. Houston veramente forte.
Welcome back. Houston found themselves in a close game in the first. They saw their lead grow to a high water mark of 5 in the period.
Alao con 10 punti, 9 rimbalzi. Jordan 18 punti, 18 assist.
Thanks for joining us, folks. We're now just
Megoglione.
And after a fairly even first couple of quarters, the second half could turn out to be a great one as both teams.
E possiamo andare? Ma veramente? Cioè, perché scusate un secondo. Ah, ok, 18 punti. Ah, sì, no, perché mi pareva strano. Un po' bassi, anche veneziano, 2 assist. Perché sta roba? Ogni tanto schiaccio il pulsante e sbaglio.
And on the floor for Mike D'Antoni starting the second half. Westbrook and Harden, the dynamite pair.
Veneziano dà fastidio. Bravo Kume, dai.
And it's Elijah Wan into the center position. Jordan dishes to Rodman. Pippen the pass to Mr. Moves. to the inside.
Bravissimo, questo serve. Le manine del Cume.
Just 4 in the basket from Rodman.
Comunque Rodman li fa sempre sui gol.
On a nice play, getting the ball inside and right to the bucket.
Harden the pass to Olajuwon. Olajuwon drawn the double team. Baseline shot.
Olajuwon, ma
And the
no.
jumper is good. Olajuwon's got 12 points in the game.
Olajuwon ha fatto veramente
Well, you know, for so long, Mike D'Antoni has been a vanguard on NBA.
solo rete per Michael
Plays
Jeffrey
great offense,
Jordan.
moving, spacing, dynamic players. Defense has not been at the level of offense, but I think he's actually improved
sì.
as a coach in that area.
Se
as well.
continua a marcare così.
Oh, inflicting some punishment with the two-hand flush.
Ah, they're going for the throat.
Now's the time to do it. Keep attacking that rim.
Outside Pippen. Carter the pass to Mr. Move. That one-
Ehi veneziano! Solo rete, triplettone!
Points for Mr. Move.
Bravo Cume.
And Clark part of it
Tira
for
molto meglio da
D'Antoni,
Kerr da
who
3.
said he is delegating
È
defensive
abbastanza
duties.
ridicolo perché erano dei
I like that,
migliori.
Kevin. He's made sure to have a defensive coordinator on
Ok,
his
finalmente
staff,
una
delegating that
difesa.
role.
Non dico bella, ma una difesa.
He thinks and knows that
Dennis.
he's better off that
Yes.
way. Well, it's been a great start for this offense here in the second half. 4 for 4.
Rockets have gone 2 of 4 here to start the second half. And here's Harden.
Barba.
for three. Carter pulls it in.
Cominciano a sbagliare anche loro.
Rebounds in the game. Gordon against Pippen. Here's Mr. Move.
Mamma mia il Cume!
And trying for the
Peccato!
go-ahead basket. It doesn't go in.
But only the first miss of the second half. They've come out here with authority.
Vabbè,
And
fallo
foul
di
on the
Pippen.
shot. He'll shoot 2 at the free throw line. And the
Primo sbagliato.
level of detail
No,
that Covington
purtroppo no.
approaches defense with is just phenomenal. He is always prepared for his matchup.
Yeah, and that's why he's an outstanding defender,
Okay.
Kevin, because he's got the physical attributes. He's got excellent speed and quickness for a guy of his size, good length and strength.
Avevo sbagliato io il
outstanding
blocco.
hands, and he does a nice job of studying
Dennis, tua.
his opponent and what he needs
Yes.
to do to be effective defensively. Mostly
Ragazzi,
the two,
meno
but
3
he came
Chicago,
into the
che
league as a
partita, sto soffrendo tantissimo le stoppate di Olajuwon e Yao, veramente tanto. Buoni tiri da 3 da parte di veneziano e la V, grande, dai che sono i miei minuti gli ultimi.
That's been the issue throughout the game.
Yep, and the result
Questa deve essere tua, da solo! No, questo può essere l'errore della sconfitta.
And Zach LaVine gets the whistle.
Ero da solo,
That is his first foul
ero
of
da
the game.
solo qua, ho tirato male. 3 su 7 per veneziano da 3,
Defense the Bulls.
il Cume deve riscattarsi.
Trying to break that ice cold streak.
Niente, su rimbalzi, stoppate, Yao
Has he risen to the
e Hakim
challenge down the
stanno
stretch?
massacrando.
3 of 4 here.
Che squadra Houston, ragazzi, avrà un bel con i 5-3. Ma la miseria.
With a strong contribution so far in this one.
Yeah, and he's been taking it to the rack.
Yun in campo,
all
Hakim
game.
Olajuwon.
They haven't been able to contain him. They have to put up better
Meno
fight
5,
on the inside.
no!
Now a moment to take a look at our Jordan player of the game.
And guys, he's been
Qua
about
serve
as
Cume,
close to
Jordan, ma Jordan
perfection
aveva Jordan,
as you
aspetta.
can be. The intensity he's played with has been amazing.
Ed
Just
entra.
no let up. And as fired up as he's been, he's never let his emotions
Bravo
get
Dennis.
out of control.
Now let's go to the sideline and catch up with our Hall of Famer, David Aldridge.
Well, during the timeout, I listened in on Jim Boylan's huddle. He told them flat out, we are turning the ball over too much, guys. We can't keep making the hero ball play.
No,
Slow it
gol.
down, run the offense and make the same.
Con questa idea.
He drilled one from deep in the first half, doing it again here in the second.
Pippen, the pass to Rodman. Here's Mr. Moves. He's covered by Westbrook.
Ah, ho sbagliato anche l'attacco.
Outside Pippen. Lock at 6.
Ti prego Cume!
It's
Sì!
good. Back down to 3 on the basket for Mr. Moves.
Mamma mia veneziano.
Loving this long-range bomb attack that we're seeing here tonight, coming right back to answer a 3 with one of their own.
Unbelievable couple
Ok,
of
ultimo
possessions
time out,
here, Greg.
che non
I mean,
faccio
the
l'errore
energy
dell'altra volta.
really starting to boil.
Time called here at the Bulls.
Allora.
Talking over.
Veneziano.
This guy's just a little sluggish out there.
Jordan.
Oftentimes a timeout like this allows you to kind of just reset.
Vai, giochiamo tutti gli offensivi.
Rockets lead
Adesso devo
by
difendere bene. Cosa non facile per il Kume.
Now here's Westbrook. Here's Olajuwon. And he
Mamma
puts
mia.
it away off the glass.
Mamma mia, ragazzi.
13 points now here in the second half.
And how about the killer cool of Olajuwon?
Se devo aggrapparmi a MJ.
Everyone is back.
MJ.
The game gets
Sì.
And Jordan gets it to go.
How about that intensity that Jordan brings? I mean, this dude comes alive.
Meno 3. Non può darmi sempre bene all'ultimo. Tutte partite combattute comunque, mamma mia.
Harden scanning the floor.
Qua fa un errore il Barba.
Bulls trail by 3. Here's Jordan.
No, potevo andare avanti. Ma la mette lo stesso la Dai. Dai che sono in casa i momenti Bulls. Sono i momenti Bulls.
Jordan against Harden.
Cosa fa? Ma la sbaglia, incredibile. No, la sbagliamo anche noi.
Great up over 50%. In fact,
Ah, questo è
52%.
pesantissimo.
Covington finds Harden. Over Levine. Harden.
Ok, vai Scotti.
I wouldn't be surprised if he gets yanked soon. I mean, that's how bad his shot selection has been.
Mi fido solo di MJ. Qua mi fido solo di MJ.
Well, Jordan has been fantastic.
46 secondi più 1 Chicago.
They're trailing by 1. 46 seconds left in the fourth quarter of this one.
Mamma mia, mamma mia.
46
No.
seconds left in the fourth quarter.
Maledetto Alonso.
seen a player with absolutely
Hakim è forte.
Cool, calm, collected,
Lo sto soffrendo tanto.
in the biggest moment of the game, yes.
Westbrook with the-
No, la perde. Ah, Westbrook grandissimo.
Oh, that was terrific.
They're having a lot of trouble
Veneziano la
dealing with
perde.
Russell Westbrook. He's a handful.
Here's Mr. Moves, defended by Gordon.
Kume fa una buona entrata, ma sono cazzi miei.
Only foul intention.
Jordan fa fallo.
Do that now. Again and again, they're not in the penalty yet.
That's right. No other option but to foul and hope for some misses.
Yeah, they have to extend the game. I mean, plain and simple. Use every second you can on the
Uno lo mette.
And luckily they've got terrific depth.
Fuori per falli MJ. Incredibile.
One spot on the floor where they can afford to lose somebody.
Posso solo fare il triplone.
Be it.
absolutely massive free throw. That'll force them into a three-point attempt.
Pass to Kerr. Here's Mr. Moves, defended by Covington. Mr. Moves passes to Pippen. He dishes it to Levine. Now Kerr.
Ci ho provato.
Oh, he couldn't make that.
È andata male, attacco brutto. Houston vince. Alla fine meritatamente. Arriva la seconda sconfitta per i Bulls. La prima in campo con Kume.
Thank you for joining us. That'll do.
Esci. Però ce le giochiamo tutte, questo è l'importante, insomma. Ce le giochiamo tutte quante e va bene. Ok. New York vinciamo, rifiuta lo scambio. No, carte lo tengo. Rifiuta lo scambio. Ok. Adesso abbiamo Milwaukee. Siamo a Milwaukee. C'è Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, per quello sono primi con 9 vittorie e una sconfitta. Noi siamo secondi a 9-2. C'è anche Ray Allen, tiratore
Hello, everybody.
pressoché
Our game
infallibile.
tonight features the Chicago Bulls as they take the floor against the Milwaukee.
Una media di punti spaventosa comunque. 116 punti a partita. Contro Abdul-Jabbar.
Like to play in front of their home crowd. And tonight, no different. Some confident players coming through the tunnel earlier on.
Vai.
We are... Well, you're right, DA. It'll be still.
Si parte ragazzi contro i Bucks che stanno facendo una stagione incredibile.
Carter is up there with Dennis Rodman. Then there's Pippen. Then there's Mr. Moves. And it's
Ok,
Jordan
primo
at
possesso.
guard position. And for
C'è
Milwaukee,
anche
Middleton and Giannis are the forward
l'innominabile,
players. Allen out
che lo
there.
chiamiamo così.
And a It's Abdul-Jabbar in at the center position.
E subito Abdul-Jabbar ci dimostra che il basket è pura arte.
His positioning near the hoop, always to
È importante, la partita è importante per dimostrare che è più forte MJ. Solo rete.
The impact of Eric Bledsoe, his ability to penetrate and make plays at the rim. They'll talk about what he does for the Bucks offense and what you think of his game.
Mamma mia ragazzi, si prospetta un'altra partita simpatica. No, Pippen, no.
He was close to All-Star stage.
Calma.
And he was really good defensively. I think the problem for him was the playoffs.
Allen, sei ciao.
They slowed down and couldn't really adjust to that style. I thought he lost his confidence.
Antetokounmpo.
They were just benching him for portions of quarters and must-win games. So, you know, he's got to figure out how can he control a game offensively when it's not just like running up fast break.
Fallo su Rodman.
During the regular season was really good for them. They're just going. But in the playoffs,
Bravo Dennis.
You're gonna have games where it slows down. So how do you handle that? I think would be the big thing. I thought he
Uno
lost.
su due di Dennis, non possiamo pretendere di più da Rodman.
As a free throw shooter, Robin has his challenges. One of those guys who almost shoots a better percentage from the field. Now, how about breaking out the Statue of Liberty on that
A
dunk?
nice way to pad that lead a little more. You're right.
MJ,
A nice
yes.
shot by Jordan.
Meno male che c'è
As
Jordan.
much as he's done to increase the range on his jump shot, this is where Jordan's bread is buttered. That
Poche
mid-range
palle
game.
rubate per la partita con Houston, devo un po' migliorarmi da questo punto di vista perché sennò Ray Allen con la migliore meccanica di tiro della storia dell'NBA.
A three-pointer, no good.
Ok,
Bulls have gone 2 of 3 here to start out the game. It's Pippen with the
bravo
dribble.
Pippen, bravo Scott.
There, driving hard inside, has the height and athleticism to consistently get it done in the paint.
Bledsoe passes to Giannis. And a great assist by
Megoglioni.
Bledsoe as that one goes in. And it's 6 points for Giannis on the
Na,
field goal.
na, na, na.
Here in the first
Veneziano, questo è bello. Non ci credo, Rodman. Nel terzo quarto siamo in vantaggio incredibilmente, ma stiamo con punteggi anche incredibili per Jordan, 28 punti nel primo tempo. Ma Jabbar ragazzi è qualcosa di incredibile. Veneziano prova il missile e cominciamo male. Sto sudando come un porco perché è veramente durissima. Nonostante la nostra squadra sia fortissima ragazzi, gli avversari sono bestiali. Jabbar da solo fa tutto. Middleton, boom. Subito la medita referto, una bella tripla.
Yeah, and I think organizations that are trying to stay ahead of the trend, Kevin, might think about, we might have a star for just 2 years. How can we get the next one? Backside of that, Kevin, is a lot of these star players are signing deals that
Scotty.
are not extending to 4, 5, 6 years.
Bravo,
You
Rodman.
can't even do that anymore. So
No.
you get a guy for a couple years. What he wants to do is maximize his earning potential for 1 or 2 seasons, become a free agent again, and then look around the league where
Mamma mia, meno male che c'è MJ,
but to also cash in. That's what's happening in today's game.
You won't find a much more entertaining sight. I'd call that slam.
No, da solo, madonna, ma che... Eccolo qua, tutti riprende. Tutti Jabbar.
And boy, have they been hitting the backboard in this game or what? Kind of surprising, it's such a tight game.
Attento Pume.
Pippen against Middleton. Lets it go.
Pippen.
14.
Bravo, bravo Carter che l'ha seguita.
And folks, he did not luck into that one. He knew just where he wanted to be to grab that backboard.
Bucks trail by 5. Bledsoe dishes to Antetokounmpo. Bucks passing it around. And Middleton kicks to Bledsoe. Pass to Abdul-Jabbar.
Attenzione Jabbar che veramente da solo può far tutto. Cari.
And it's blocked by
Grande MJ.
outside Rodman. Carter at the elbow. And there's the pass to Jordan. Rodman with the ball. Eric Bledsoe.
Bravissimo Dennis.
Outside for Pippen.
No, qua ho sbagliato io. Dio King.
Well, they say it was last touched by Carter. And for a look
Ah.
at the competition stacks up right now. These the new power.
Ora Los Angeles, power anche prima.
Taking a look at Milwaukee.
Ragazzi, manca un minuto e sono di un teso incredibile. Però i punteggi sono troppo alti, penso che abbasserà 8 minuti per noi. Veneziano per chiuderla, il cubo per chiuderla. Merda. Stiamo attenti, potevo giocare di più col cronometro. Aia, missile e gol. Tutte le prende, ma tutte, porco Diaz! Tutte le prende Jabbar. Sì, questo ci voleva.
You're talking about one of the most decorated
Calma.
superstars in the history of college basketball, but maybe the
No,
most
non
impressive.
perderla!
He won 3 national championships.
MJ contro tutti.
Kareem has a way of affecting winning.
Lock at 6.
Zio cane, l'ho persa.
He knocks down the clutch free throw.
Niente, nei momenti topici sto sbagliando, come con Houston, incredibile. Che Jabbar ha fatto 6.000 punti. Non ce la faccio più. No, prometto 8 minuti perché non possono finire tutte così. Comunque riesco a fare tanti punti anche con 8 minuti a quarto.
Guys, your thoughts?
Always intriguing to see what a coach draws up.
No, no, zio cane, ma non, no, ma perché fai fallo?
Had to foul and on that occasion,
Che bello.
that's
Grazie,
hidden
Gioc.
in this situation.
And he hits both free throws here. So now it's a 3-point game.
Big time free throws there. That could be the difference. It forces them now into a 3-point attempt.
And the Bulls with
Persa
their
anche questo.
And they need to stop the clock, so there's a foul.
Male oggi, 2 perse per noi.
He drops the first one.
Milwaukee è uno squadrone però,
We can talk about it over and over again, Kevin. Antetokounmpo
è andata, ragazzi.
in ways we just haven't seen.
Veneziano ci prova.
At least up until the Greek Freaks arrived.
Finisce qua, perdiamo di 5.
So it's Milwaukee picking up the win. They didn't make it easy on themselves.
Altro che tutto semplice.
But in the end, everyone's satisfied.
I mean, there were some times that momentum shifted, and especially
All right, David, great job. Thanks so much. And that'll do it, folks.
Milwaukee ha vinto,
So for David
purtroppo.
Aldridge,
Su 41 punti, 25 rimbalzi. Jabbar, cioè, sinceramente era impossibile vincere con un giocatore così. Dei nostri, Jordan ha fatto insomma, che prestazioni, no, primo quarto però. 44 punti, poi che i rimbalzi leggermente meno. I rimbalzi di Jabbar hanno fatto la differenza, raga. Sì, sono un po' incazzato, perché ne ho persi 2 su 2 stavolta. Vabbè, ci sta, non si può sempre vincere, diventa noioso anche. Adesso abbiamo i Nets, anche no. Ci rispariamo nella prossima, la rivincita con Milwaukee. Vediamo se con New Jersey vinciamo. Ricevono no. Ok, vinciamo con i Nets. E la prossima è con Milwaukee. Possiamo già dire che la prossima facciamo Milwaukee, Detroit l'abbiamo già fatta, però la rivincita con Milwaukee. Dopo contro Golden State, saranno le 2 partite. Va bene raga, saluto il Comendone veneziano, vediamo velocemente la classifica. Siamo terzi con un record di 10-3. Milwaukee è troppo forte in questo momento, raga, veramente. Dopo c'è un distacco, Boston, mi aspettavo meglio per il momento. Però adesso siamo ancora all'inizio, stiamo tranquilli, insomma. Però abbassiamo a 8 minuti perché non possiamo fare 130 punti, ma poi reale. Raga, saluto il Comendone veneziano. Ciao!